Okay, ladies, just to explain a little bit further about what I'm talking about. I have it all laid out, but you can see I've left this 1/4 inch all the way around so that when we go to attach them, you have enough room to sew the two together. This will be the edge of what's showing right here, and then this will not be showing. The 1/4 inch seam will not be showing. Okay. There's been a little bit of confusion regarding the batting. What we're doing right now is we are making our quilt top. The batting will come later. But if you do feel the need, like I want to go back and put just a little bit of padding under this big applique right in the center here to raise it up and make it pop so that when I stitch around this, that will pop out. So I'm going to put a light batting under there. I don't want to go too thick because what will happen is, because these are so heavy already, once we get all this on here, we all know how heavy these appliques are. Once we get everything on there, and we never know when to stop either, so once we get everything on it, we don't want our quilt block to weigh 10 or 15 pounds. Because if we each do that, by the time we get all our quilt blocks attached together, it will be way too heavy. And some people may be hanging these on, oh, what do you call it? My mind's blanking out. But anyway, you don't want it too heavy to where it's going to make holes in your wall when you hang it up. So let's keep, at this point, try to keep your padding in it to a minimum. Because later, after we attach all of our blocks together, then we'll go back, if we want to, and add a whole layer of batting between the quilt blocks and the backing. And then we will stitch around each square, okay? So I hope that helps you to understand somewhat a little bit better. But like I said, I am going to go back and add just a very light batting behind this large applique to make it pop out, give it some depth, and make it a little bit thicker to make it pop out so that when I stitch around it, just don't go over heavy on your batting at this point. So I hope this gives you an idea of what I'm talking about. I'm still playing with this one. You can see all my little pins sticking in it everywhere. But this is where I'm at so far. And I know that I'll be adding a lot more to it. So it's going to get heavier. But like I said, I am going to go back and add a light batting under this one. I don't want a real thick, heavy batting. Just a light batting behind this section right in here to make it pop out. Okay, I hope that helps y'all. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.